That big bag of Costco chips is made for this Vietnamese beef salad.
Bò Tái Chanh.
Well, not exactly a salad, more of a rare beef steak ceviche. While it closely resembles the Thai beef salad Nam Tok, this Viet version uses rare steak and a different technique.
Oh.
There's two sauces you'll have to make to put this together. The fish sauce glaze and the lime vinaigrette. To make the fish sauce, a few garlic cloves, 1 chili, and 5 tablespoons of sugar. Smash and make into a paste. Squeeze half a lime and combine evenly. Then add 5 tablespoons fish sauce. For the lime vinaigrette, you'll need juice of 3 to 4 fresh lime, 2 tablespoons sugar, a splash of white vinegar to balance the citrus, and just a tablespoon of water to dilute the acidity. I used New York steak, seasoned with salt, pepper, and splash of oil to cover. Sear quickly, just enough so that the pepper and salt sticks on. Steak should be rare inside. Trim off any fat and slice steak thinly. Use half of the lime vinaigrette to marinate the beef. Add in sliced white onions, shallots, green onions, mint leaves, coriander leaves, fried shallots, then the rest of the lime juice, a bit of black pepper, and some of that fish sauce glaze. Adjust more of that fish sauce to your taste preference, or use some of the leftover as a dipping sauce. Plate and top with thinly sliced lime, fried shallots, toasted peanuts, and chopped red chili. Then enjoy.